So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to howardcountypublicschoolsystem.org and you're going to click on the Howard County Connect, okay? And then you're going to click on it and you're going to fill out your information. Now, Howard County Connect is where you can get a ton of all sorts of information, such as, this is my daughter's information right there, but this is where you, if you haven't done already, you can do your emergency card, and then you can also get to Canvas this way. So the most important thing you want to do when you get to Canvas, you're going to click here, and then it'll pop up to Canvas. And this is what your Canvas homepage looks like, or at least this is what my daughter's page looks like. And because she's in elementary school, she doesn't have a lot of courses up and running, but in middle school, you'll see a lot more. The most important thing you want to do is set your notifications, all right? You want Canvas to tell you very specific things. So you can look at your students' Canvas notifications and you can set it up. You go to Account, the Notifications, and then you can tell it how you want your information sent to you. So you can have it through email or directly text to your phone. I would, very importantly, make sure that you don't necessarily need the grading content or all that kind of stuff. There is some things as a parent you are going to want to know. So you are going to want to make sure that certain things are clicked as a parent. You definitely want announcements to be clicked. All right, you definitely want to make sure that you are getting announcements, because then this is a way that teachers are going to communicate directly to you and your child. You also want to get grading clicked as well, and you can set this up so Canvas will notify you whenever your child's grade drops below a certain percentage, which is very, very important. You don't need to know any of the discussions or conversations. I mean, the conversations are just emails between you and the teacher anyway. The scheduling, the alerts, all that kind of stuff, okay? But this is very, very important. When you click on my homepage, you're going to see, depending on the class, you might see some otters or you might see some pictures of Harry Potter. This right here is going to be your best friend. This is where you can see your child's grades, you can see any assignments, and you can see the calendar. Now, over on this side, over here, this is the calendar. We can click on that, and you can see all the assignments that are due. Okay? So right now in ELA, there is an assignment due on Tuesday. It's the beginning of the year, first activity assignment. And that's as far as I have gotten on my page. Soon, a lot more assignments will be uploaded on. All right.